So here's how to do voiceover in Canva. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out Canva Pro. As you can see, we're now in the Canva homepage. From here, you can choose from different templates to create your design with. Go over to the left panel and click on Create. Then, select the type of layout format you want from here. For example, landscape video. After that, go to the left panel and select any template from here. If you want to add a voiceover to this video, go to the left panel and tap on Uploads. Then tap on Record Yourself as shown. Now, manage your microphone settings by giving Canva access to your microphone. After that, tap on Record at the bottom to record yourself. Once you're done, tap on Save and Exit at the top right corner. You can now further edit the video and voiceover as you like. And that's it. You can easily do a voiceover in Canva.